Okay, welcome. This is Big Bender Studio, and today I want to show you how I'm able to take care of all my device and gadgets out there. So we'll be right back. Like I said earlier, I need to show you, okay, fine, I have my own takeout set, my own takeout setup. That's what I want to show you right now. So this is how it works. If you want to go out to perform or to like basically just do your production, maybe like outside, outdoor, which is the essence of your Akai MPC Live 2, standalone, being able to work anywhere. And then, I think one of my former video, you can check it out here. We talked about how I easily am able to like get my audio, straight from the master out here, a clear audio. Like some of my production video that I've done here as well, I'm able to like get my audio clean and crispy, from the Akai straight into what you are hearing right now. Like I said, I use this attenuator device which is connected to my Zoom, and then I send my out straight into it, and that's basically why my audio is kind of clear right out of the box without having to do any extra editing and all that. But then we're talking about, okay, how can I send sound again from here, from people around me, into this device? So I think I see a lot of videos talking about, you need to have your microphone connected to a sound card. I have a sound card here, but then so that's maybe if I'm working indoor, that might be useful for me. Connect your microphone to a sound card, or a mixer rather, then connect your mixer to this device with your Akai. Makes more sense, right? But then if you are going out there where you want to depend solely and 100% on battery, what will you do? You need to be able to ensure that everything you're carrying around you is strictly going to be solely battery powered and portable as possible, out there. So when I carry this outdoor, what I do is I simply go with my own handycam. That's my Zoom. I use the h4n Pro. You might have another version of Zoom, or yours might just be another model entirely. Fine, it all works. So what I do is basically I can choose to connect my microphone straight to my Zoom, and then connect your Zoom to your line-in. I can grab my samples directly. I've seen some other options that some people are saying, you can actually use your phone. It works fine. You can use your phone, but how does it work? You need to download a software called iRig, and you have to pay for it, like $10 or $15. You pay for the iRig. You can actually use your iRig where you now have to connect that phone to the line-in, and then when you're talking on your phone, it automatically converts it into, the sound that your Akai can understand and then process. But here, why do we need to do that? Go all that, all that extra stress? No, basically just all I do is, even from this mic, without having to connect any external mic, from the mic on the Zoom, I can send audio straight into the device. And that is the beauty of it. All I need to do is go to my menu, go to sampler, and inside sampler, I arm it. Once I arm it, it's waiting for signal. So now, how best do you send from here, that is your Zoom, straight into this device? That's when this comes in. I use this TS cable. You can get the TSI, it doesn't really matter. It supports both balanced and unbalanced. Some people say that, but then, honestly, trust me, it supports both balanced and unbalanced. To the mini jack. So what I do is, I just connect this to the line out of my Zoom. And from there, I connect this to the line in on my Akai. Once I do that, anything I say here, I don't even need to record here. That's the beauty of it. I'm recording now. The sound you're hearing right now is going straight into this Zoom 4. Let me show you. Yep. So, but then I don't even need to hit the record, and it's simply because this red button is on, it's armed. This red is recording. But then I don't even need to hit the record. I just need to engage it. Once I engage, that's the time that you see this guy start blinking. It will automatically send any sound that I'm sending into it out to the line out, and it's feeding everything straight into the Akai MPC. And that's what we're talking about. So my simple setup, like I said earlier, all I need is just this cable and my Zoom, and then I can easily go out there and take recordings. Like while I'm doing my project, while I'm working on on the record, like let's say like I'm working on the beat, I could have people there that wants to rap on it, they want to sing on it. I allow them, and they do that live right there. We can hear they get to hear themselves back and hear what exactly they are saying or they're singing to the song. I don't have to say, just send it to me, let me go to the studio. No. This guy is standalone and is 100% standalone and speak. So, yep, there you have it, how my own outdoor set works. I don't need to use much. All I do is just simple and the basic element that makes my life a lot easier and ensure the job is also done on a professional level. So, there you have it. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. We'll see you in the next one.